Dear 5th graders, welcome to science lesson. I hope you are healthy and safe. Today I'll mention about a new topic. Our new topic, Unit 6. It's about shadows. What is shadow? Let's see. Okay, you see the shadow of this man. And this is a painter, as you see, and it is in, as you see, 1070s, and they are making pictures. They are making pictures by using shadows. It is called silhouette, as you see. This is the shadow of this man, and this painter is using this silhouette to draw. And there are different types of materials. Some materials let light through it, but some materials doesn't let it. If an object doesn't let light through it, it is opaque materials. Opaque materials, like as you see in this picture, in A, this is opaque materials. It's mean doesn't let light through in. And the other one, transparent. Here, C, transparent materials. Let's learn what's the definition of transparent. Transparent, an object lets a lot of light through it, and you can see other side. When you look through window, you can see other side. Window is a good example to transparent materials. As you see in this picture, C is the transparent, A is the opaque materials. And what is the B? Let's learn what's B. B is the translucent materials. What does translucent mean? Translucent, here, a little light can pass through it, like colored and frosted glass. Okay, you know there are some windows, colorful, or from frosted glass. You can see shape, but you cannot see clearly. It is the translucent one. Let's compare them. We can see three of them together. A is the opaque, B is the translucent, C is the transparent material. And from opaque you cannot see other side. From translucent material you can see the shape, but not clearly. From transparent you can see the other side clearly, like the windows. Okay, we learned their definitions. Let's continue. Okay, this is the example. Transparent materials, like the windows, a lot of light can pass through it. You can see the other side. Opaque materials don't let light through. You cannot see the other side. And let's mention about shadow. Which material make shadow? We can say shadow from opaque materials. You know that opaque materials will not let light through it, and they can form the best shadows. They can pass the best shadows. And you know, shadow change according to sunlight, especially at we can say as a time, we can say 12 or 1 o'clock, shadow will be larger, bigger. It means shadow size change according to sunlight. We need opaque materials. Opaque materials useful for us because under the sunlight we can protect ourselves by opaque materials. For example, you are near the sea, you need sunshades. We can say when you sit under umbrellas or sunshades, you can keep you from the sunlight. We use opaque materials for protection of sunlight. Yes. And any question till here? Which materials produce, as you see, shadows? Opaque materials. If light cannot pass through it, you can see it is shadow, and shadow size change according to sunlight. Okay, and there are some questions. Normally, if you are here, we will answer together, but I think because of internet issues, you are not here. It will be homework. Homework from the page 125. The first question. Why is it important for some materials to be transparent? Think about it. If some materials not transparent, we cannot use them like windows, like eyeglasses. Transparent materials show the other side, and we need these type of materials like glasses. Yes, you will answer. I only explain the question. And the second question, why it is important for some materials to be opaque? I show this picture one more time. We need opaque materials, and especially by the sun, they are useful. List 2 uses of opaque materials. How can you make a shadow larger? Yes, these are homework for you, and we will continue to this subject next lesson too. See you next lesson. Goodbye.